Once again, we find ourselves in a period of economic uncertainty. During these times, it's important to maintain a long-term perspective and to diversify your portfolio. Diversify globally. Foreign equities can provide support as Canadian dollar weakness translates into higher values for foreign investments. Use fixed income strategically. Bonds can provide downside protection and stability when equities are facing broad declines. Diversify by sector. A balanced portfolio spanning multiple industries can buffer the negative effects of tariffs on isolated sectors. Any money that you need in the short term should be invested in a high-interest savings account or a money market fund, something like that. Please visit our website, kccuwealth.ca. As always, I have posted several articles on this topic under the Resources tab.